ano, ano, and suffix us. So anonymous. From nim we have added ano, which is a prefix, and us, which is suffix. So the whole word which you will be seeing on the board is anonymous, and anonymous means unknown. So nim mean name and anonymous mean unknown. So you have learned this word from the root word. Hey viewers, this is Muhammad Wakas and you are watching your own YouTube channel Learn with MW. Viewers, I hope so you will be enjoying the life. I welcome you to this part 4 of Vocabulary V8 series. Up till now we have uploaded 3 videos in this Vocabulary V8 series, and the one previous video that we have uploaded was quite interesting because we have learned vocabulary from a very different angle and from a very different technique that the native speakers use it, which was called a root method technique. So in this video we will be proceeding through root method technique again, and keep in mind this is Vocabulary V8 series, and through this Vocabulary V8 series and through this root method technique we will learn vocabulary from a very different angle and in the style of native speakers. And I promise you, as I mentioned in the earlier videos, that from one word you will learn around about 4 to 5 words. So it's quite interesting, quite engaging, and quite fun and engaging method. So you should have to, one promise to be that you should connect with me in this video, watch this video till the end, and I promise you, you will learn around about 11 to 12 words vocabulary from just 2 English words. So stay connected. We will start our discussion in the next slide. So viewers, now in this slide, as I mentioned, you just have to memorize one single word, and from this one single word you will learn around about 4 to 5 vocabulary words. So it's quite easy. Stay connected with us. Now you will be seeing on the board the word is nym, N-Y-M, nym. Now just we had to add prefixes and suffixes to this root word. Now for those who don't know about prefixes and suffixes, watch my third video, Vocabulary V8 series, third video, in which I have discussed in detail that what are prefixes and suffixes. Now just simple word, you should learn that suffixes are those words which come after the root word, and prefixes are those words which come before the root word. Now through these examples you will learn. So now keep in mind, you will be seeing the root word is nym, N-Y-M, and nym means name. So you just have to memorize this single word. And now look the trick, look the magic. From this one single word you will learn round about 4 to 5 other vocabulary words. So it's quite easy. Now you have learned nym means name. Now we will be adding prefixes and suffixes to this root word, and you will learn further words. So now look, I'm adding a word prefix ano, and suffix us. So anonymous. From nym we have added ano, which is a prefix, and us, which is suffix. So the whole word which you will be seeing on the board is anonymous, and anonymous means unknown. So nym means name and anonymous means unknown. So you have learned this word from the root word. Now you will be seeing the next word is nymous. So nym means name, and we have added suffix us. So nymous means known. So from name, nym means name, so nymous means known. So now you have learned 2 vocabulary words from this single root word. You have learned anonymous and you have also learned nymous. Now you will be seeing the third word. The third word is synonym. So we have added the prefix syn. So synonym means those words which have similar meaning. You will be seeing on the board. So synonym means similar meaning. Now you have learned the third word as well. Now look at the fourth word. You will be seeing on the board. The fourth word is antonym. An antonym means opposite meaning. Those words which carry the opposite meaning. So viewers, so it's quite easy, quite amazing, and quite engaging technique as well. From you have just memorized this single root word nym, and from nym we have learned anonymous, we have learned nymous, we have learned synonym, and we have learned antonym. So it's quite easy. Stay connected with us in this video, in the further slides, we will discuss and we will elaborate this technique. So stay connected with us. So viewers, now the second word just have to memorize is Nate. Nate mean birth. Nate mean birth. Now we will add prefixes and suffixes and we will learn further words. So now I'm adding the suffix al. So natal. Now from birth, natal mean bone. So Nate, you have learned the root word. Nate mean birth and natal mean bone. So now look it. We're just adding further words. Now you'll be seeing on the board the word is neonate. Neonate, and neonate mean newly born. So from natal, which mean born, so neonate mean newly born. Now you'll be seeing another word which is antenatal. Anti mean before and natal mean born. So antenatal mean before birth. And then you'll be seeing on the board the other word is postnatal. Post, we have added the suffix post to the root word natal. So postnatal mean after birth. Now, so from this natal, up till now from Nate we have learned natal, we have learned neonatal, we have learned antenatal, and we learned postnatal. And look, for example, we have already discussed the root word is Nate and it means birth. So now we adding another suffix, nation. So nation means country, estate. So from Nate you have learned another root word, another vocabulary word, nation. And you could also add al like national. So national means the person belonging to a state which is governed by a government. So viewers, look it. So it's quite easy, quite amazing way, quite interesting technique. Through this root method technique, you can elaborate your vocabulary further and you can enhance this vocabulary. And furthermore, you can use this vocabulary in your speaking so that you can use and you can speak as much as possible, as fluently like the native speakers. So you should have to memorize these two words which we have discussed in this vocabulary 8 series. So up till now, we are done with this video. I hope so. You have enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed, do share this video with other your friends who are interested. And I think so, because English is a very broad language and everyone wanted to improve their English language. So stay connected with us. Do subscribe my YouTube channel and do share this video with your other friends and relatives who are interested. So thanks a lot for watching this video.